Are you an expat that is wanting to move out of the United States and make money online while you're living in a different country? Well, if that's you, watch this video. So my name's Kenneth. I actually make money by flipping vacant land all over the United States, and I do it virtually. All I need is my laptop and a Wi-Fi signal. So I spend a lot of my time with my wife out in Spain, in Europe, and we're still able to make money by flipping land. And the way that we flip land is pretty simple. What we do is we find the vacant land, and there's a lot of different ways you can do it virtually. Two, we find builders that would like to build on the vacant land, and then we sell the land for more than what we buy it for. And what's great about this business is because it's real estate, when you get a contract to buy a piece of property, you don't actually have to close on the contract. You can sell your contract to the builder, and the builder will take over the contract and pay you really good money for finding that deal for them. So essentially, you can flip houses or land without using any of your own money or credit to do so. So that's kind of what I do. This is just a quick video for anybody who is an expat that is wanting to learn how to make money online. This is a really good opportunity for you to do so. I've been doing it since 2013. I love the business. If you want to learn how to flip land, go to my Facebook group. It's Land Ninja Academy. I'm actually going to put a link in the description, and I'll put a link in the pinned comment on this video. So again, my name is Kenneth Dusang. Send me a DM on Instagram if you want to connect. My name on Instagram is Land Ninja Academy. Just look me up, Kenneth Dusang. Talk to you soon.